what a blessing. I think because Messi touched his chocolate skin, and then he feel like, oh my god, I know who I'm gonna be when I was 20. No, he just turned 19, right? His birthday same like me, July 13, Lamin Yamal. Holy fuck. But he's still younger, right? He just turned 19. Wait, wait. If Lamin Yamal just turned 19, July 13, by the way, same birthday like me, so he's my birthday twin. Even though I'm not his big fan, or even normal fan, I'm not his fan. But I don't hate him, okay? So I'm just wondering how old is Nicki Nicole, which is Lamin Yamal ex girlfriend, the Argentinian singer. I'm her fan, by the way, so I'm just wondering how old. Happy belated birthday to both of you. Yes, July 13th is Lamin Yamal's birthday, so you and he are birthday twins. As for Nicki Nicole, full name, blah, blah, August 25th, 2000 in Rosario. So she's 25. So okay, it was last year, right? So she was 24, dating an 18-year-old man. Boy, holy fuck. That is insane. What? I didn't know that you. Okay, first of all, I thought they were same age. Like, yeah, for sure, above 20. But the fact that I just found out he just turned 19. Same birthday like me. That's the craziest part. Same birthday, same date. But he just turned 19, so that's mean he was younger when he was dating this girl, and then his dick get disease or something because of fucking too much with her. You guys know Nicki Nicole, right? I know her not from him dating her, but I know her from the music. I'll show you her music. But mostly her music is collab with other 3 or 2 singers, so she's not the only one who's singing. That is insane, man. That means there's about a 7-year age difference between her and Lamin Yamal, who just turned 19 on July 13, 2020. Yeah, this year. And yes, she's one of Argentina's biggest urban artists. You see? If you're a fan, you probably know her song. I know none of it, but the one that the remix one. Insane. Man, if I was her age, right? Well, I am 23, I am myself, but I never attracted to men even like younger, like 1 year or 2 years younger than me. Fucking 7 years, and he's still 18 or 17. Who God knows who? Like, I don't know. Only God's know. I don't know. And I saw their pictures, yeah, but like I don't know about the age, especially his age. Insane. I know like she already above 20 for sure. Nicki Nicole. Una foto. Tirame una foto. Que se vea. Boom. That is the song. It was Nicki Nicole, Emilia, Tiago, and Mesita. Tirame una foto. Que se vea. Boom. Okay, this is so cool. Another dance. We'll dance on. This is her voice. This is her voice. Oh, it's so cold. I wanna wear a sweater. Vea. One and the other one, not a few one. I like this one, no save it. I like Emilia. A lot of the singer that I like actually from Argentina, more than from Mexico or Colombia. Emilia is Argentinian. Cae la noche,